Well, he attack make. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jaden Place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now, move settings nation. And no, we no need no ladder. Now, welcome to the channel. You man, Jaden Chase, and another one we're gonna bring on another exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I'm reminding you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blogging truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, I will definitely say this: Vybz Kartel knows talent. Now, Skillibeng recently announced that he had a Nicki Minaj feature. Well, he said it was a remix for Crocodile Teeth. What we can consider right now a breakout hit that do bigger than even brick palm brick. Now it's clear. A bad mind, the opposition bad mind, spreading rumors that the feature was rejected by Nicki Minaj. These accusations, these claims are false. Rumors created by the opposition, by the other side, to stop a youth on the rise. I know them a go vex when them artists claim say them a go put out album from when and put a whole song on it, now have no feature on it while residing overseas. They have no international feature. When Skillibeng release about 3 or 4 international feature in 1 month, till the Vybz Kartel is definitely a true visionary. When the teacher say, yo, we have put Skilly, Tommy, the girl from overseas on the track, we have them on the album. That was definitely a major milestone in a Skillibeng career. And with the work ethic that he has proved to have, continuously releasing new music week after week at a pace at which the other so-called faces of the new school cannot keep up with. Now me everybody talk about how much for a Nicki Minaj feature and this amount for a Nicki Minaj feature. Think about it. When Nicki do the song with Egyptian, when she remix Hold You, in the world of music, artists can choose to do something for another artist, or them can choose to do a joint venture. But them do the track and recoup from the sales of the track after sales. Simply put, from Nicki want to do a track with Skillibeng, him now have to have $1. What some other artists do a vex. So them spend all of them money on views and now get the streams. And since them now get no bookings, recently when everybody gone over Florida gone to show, them never go. Now them a create rumors like these. But Shatta Wale got announced the feature track about for blow up. Everybody worried. So we told we can say it plain. If we talk about the world of music, Skillibeng I run circles round Eye Water, Intense, and even Alkaline them. And we talk about work ethic, creativity, and achievements thus far. But them look like them need to do a save up for them money. Stop by his whole heap of views. Stop by things for hype on people and invest back in the music. Try to get themselves a feature and get themselves out there. For as far as with me, the entire dancehall industry see, if the topic is international features or features overall, Skillibeng seem to be doing quite fine. Skilly is not an artist a short a feature. This is an artist that was co-signed by the teacher. And from that one, he have the talent and the work ethic. Because remember, the teacher can show the people that, see, artist, so this artist is an artist that you should look out for. Him definitely have the talent needed. But it's the work ethic and the drive and the want for music that is not something somebody else can give. That is something you have to have for yourself. You have to want. You have to want it. You have to want to accomplish all the accomplishments we are out there for you to get. Nobody can want it for you and then give you that drive. Some other people are happy. Some other artists happy with just a name in the game. Skillibeng has proven saying not just want to be a name in the game. You want to do it. And as a young youth we are growing in music, me I see the musical growth. Me I see the vision. And the fact is, with even all of the tracks them with the international feature artists. All the different flow, the rap flow I'm trying to incorporate into the music. The fact is Skillibeng still keep it authentically dancehall with the patois. Proving something that we have tried to showcase to the world for years now. That dancehall music, dancehall lyrical content can be incorporated with any other style of music. To the key role that dancehall played in the birth of hip hop and rap, it is only fitting to say young hip hop artists are link up with dancehall artists, established hip hop artists are link up with established dancehall artists. It's a good look for music, and it helps the creativity for both genres. If we look on Afrobeat has benefited from seamlessly blending dancehall, hip-hop, their own African beats, reggae, and put it into one song. And what go on? Them have their own category at the Grammys at this point. Streams to the Afrobeat genre of music are in the billions. But artists like Burna Boy, upon what go on at the Grammys, and think about it, for the better part, him is a person where to a farmer DJing pan overseas type of beats. You know the dancehall with heavy influences in the UK too as well. Will we get the Skillibeng and Nicki Minaj? Was it a remix for Crocodile Teeth? Well, if she chose the track and chose to remix the track, yeah, then it would definitely be, we can look out for the Crocodile Teeth. But if it was a case where he wanted a verse and them go up on a production together, chances are it wouldn't have been that song. You must say, my Rich the Kid could have did remix Crocodile Teeth too. He never chose to do that. He chose to put out a fresh production. No doubt if Skilly get a Nicki verse, him that want to put out a fresh production, something new for the ears of the fans. What I find surprising though is that people are talk like it's impossible. Like, oh yo, Skilly can't get a Nicki feature. What kind of thought that? These are the kind of thoughts that limit the growth of dancehall music. Nicki's a lover of dancehall music. She support dancehall music. And, truth be told, when she did a remix with Egyptian for Whole Year, the project that track was featured on for Egyptian, after that, it got gold. A release of a track of this magnitude again for Skilly would have been a milestone in his career. And that is why the people who don't like Skillibeng run out right away and I say, oh, feature get reject, them a call for song remove. It's to me, these are rumors created by supporters of an artist who are sad. So them artists tell them to go pre-order an album that has no features with nobody, and even have all song with them listen already and know say you're garbage. But tell we say the Shatta Wale feature no exists. Tell we say the Rich the Kid feature no exists. Them did that tell we say the Young M.A feature never exists until it drop. Will this be another feature where them gonna tell we say, oh, we know it exists, and when it drop it bust them head? You tell me. Well, talk to me in the comment section. Tell me how you feel. If you feel like, as some people say, Skilly just troll the fans, if you feel like yes indeed the feature does exist, you know what I mean? Or you feel like the naysayers them right and the feature was rejected, which at no point in time I don't believe that would ever be the case. And if she did indeed reject it, Skilly would have known long before him even, before he even start make say there was a feature. One thing for sure, this is now something highly anticipated in the dancehall world. Everybody I look forward to see what go on with this Skillibeng and Nicki Minaj thing. If the feature go drop, I will go on. But it's the one called Jaden. She's a dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And I'm reminding them, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But they like the reason, of course, they like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. I'm the like icon today. Share icons also in close proximity. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them, sister and them, brother them. For check out channel, check out the reason. Join the discussion. Comment section with me 24/7, never lucky yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. You know there's something go. First and foremost, young artists, you inquire about the review special. Yes, the special is up and running. DM the IG page, Jaden_Chase_ for further details. You know the something go. Yeah man, now move settings fam, and now we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours are gonna live, love and prosper until the reason again.